Okay, here's a quick and dirty little easy way to use the PRX formula proper way to measure your barrel. First off, I've got the barrel off the action, but I've got I don't know how well you can see it there. There's a fire case that's had the back end cleaned out on it. That's the back end of the barrel. And then the whole barrel there with its attachments. So we're going to take a cleaning rod and we're going to stick it down the barrel. There's no jag on the end. I want that flat round surface. And we're going to stick it down the muzzle here. Carefully drop it down. So right there is our complete barrel length plus its attachments. This is a custom made tuner, so it's not like your Harrow's tuner, but we're going to take a piece of masking tape, a couple inches long, and we're going to wrap it flush with the very end. Alright, that gives us the whole barrel length and the attachment length. That's everything combined back to the bolt face. In our case, we're using a fired shell in lieu of a bolt face, but that's actually a more accurate measurement. Then we're going to get another piece of tape and we're going to pull the cleaning rod out, and now we're going to just set it flush with the end of the barrel inside the attachments. And we're going to put another piece of tape right there. So now we have the two distances. We have the depth to the muzzle and the overall barrel length. So we're going to take a tape measure and we're going to measure these two distances. We'll write them down and then we'll put them in the formula calculator and see what we get. Now, at the end of the tape measure, we have 30/2 of an inch graduations. So we're going to set this here right even with the end, exactly on the inch mark. Come down here, right there. So we're sitting at 34 on this end, but we left off an inch, so it's actually a little less than 33 inches. So we've got 8, 16, about 24, 30 seconds. So we need to convert that to calculated stuff. We're going to write that down. So I come up with a number of 34 or 32 inches and 3/4, and that's within a 32nd. Now I'm going to measure this distance here the same way. We're going to come down here, and this is actually the depth to the muzzle from the end of the attachments. So we're going to set him right on the even inch mark where our tape's at. And it's 16, 24, and about 3. So 27, 30 seconds. 6 inches, 27, 30 seconds. We'll write that number down. Alright, so those are two dimensions. It's the overall length of everything, attachments, tuner, whatever you got, and then the actual barrel length is going to be that little short dimension that was 6 inches and something from that longer dimension. That gives us the barrel. We need those numbers for the calculator. And we need one more measurement. That's the end correction. So we need to measure that as the diameter of this opening here. And we've got 8, 16, 24, and 3 is 27, 30 seconds. So we'll write that number down. Okay, so we've got all those dimensions. We're going to plug them into the calculator now. As soon as I move the camera here. I need to get a little